For millennia, humans have gazed at the stars with wonder and longing. We've mapped the heavens, launched countless probes, and walked on the surface of another world. Yet, space travel remains something reserved for astronauts and scientists, intrepid explorers far removed from everyday life. Today, that boundary is shifting. The idea of a space vacation, once a fanciful dream, is becoming a tangible reality. Soon, ordinary people just like you will be able to leave Earth behind for a brief but unforgettable journey beyond our atmosphere. To travel among the stars, even if only for a few days. But what does it mean to take your first trip into space? What will you see, hear, and feel? How will your body react? And how might this experience change you, forever altering your view of the world and your place in the universe? Join us as we embark on an in-depth exploration of the first human space vacation, a journey of preparation, wonder, challenge, and discovery. Before you ever strap into a spacecraft, your space vacation begins on solid ground, with careful preparation that blends the physical, mental, and emotional. Unlike a beach holiday or mountain retreat, spaceflight is a demanding experience. Your body will face stresses it has never encountered before, from the intense forces of launch to the disorienting sensations of weightlessness. To prepare, you'll engage in training that feels both familiar and otherworldly. Under the guidance of medical experts, you'll undergo a thorough health evaluation. Your cardiovascular system, lungs, and muscles will be tested to ensure you can handle the rigors ahead. You may learn breathing techniques to help manage stress and motion sickness. You'll practice emergency drills, what to do if the unexpected happens. You'll also spend hours floating in neutral buoyancy pools, giant tanks of water designed to simulate zero gravity. These sessions teach you how to move smoothly in 3 dimensions, how to avoid collisions in the confined cabin, and how to secure yourself during turbulent moments. And perhaps most importantly, you'll train your mind. Space can be overwhelming, vast, silent, and isolating. Astronauts talk about the overview effect, a profound shift in consciousness sparked by seeing Earth from space. While your trip will be shorter, you'll prepare mentally to embrace that perspective and all the emotions it brings. Launch day arrives, and it's a moment unlike any other in your life. The morning begins early, with final medical checks and suiting up in a sleek, lightweight flight suit designed to protect you during ascent and re-entry. You approach the launch pad, where the rocket towers above like a gleaming monument to human ingenuity and ambition. The air buzzes with anticipation. Support crews move swiftly and confidently, preparing the vehicle for the historic flight. When the countdown reaches 0, the rocket's engines roar to life. The vibrations shake your body. The sound pounds inside your helmet. You feel the overwhelming push of acceleration, pressing you into your seat with a force multiple times your body weight. Time seems to stretch and compress. The window beside you blurs as clouds and sky rush past. Then, suddenly, the roar quiets, and the sensation of weight shifts. Gravity fades away. You are no longer bound to Earth. You are floating, weightless, in the infinite silence of space. It's a moment of awe, a triumph of human technology and spirit. The thrill of liftoff will remain etched in your memory forever. In orbit, the planet you call home reveals itself anew. Earth appears as a vibrant marble, blue oceans swirling with white clouds, green and brown continents dotted with shimmering cities. The atmosphere's thin veil is visible as a fragile glow along the horizon, a delicate shield that sustains all life. You'll gaze upon sunrises and sunsets that paint the sky with colors no artist could capture. Fiery oranges fading into deep purples, stars appearing and disappearing as Earth turns beneath you. Stars shine in crystalline brilliance, unfiltered by atmosphere or light pollution. The constellations you know so well seem sharper, brighter, as though you're seeing them for the first time. Inside the cabin, you'll experience the wonder of weightlessness, your body floating effortlessly, drifting from place to place with the slightest push. Simple tasks become playful experiments in physics. Pouring a drink, eating a meal, or even sleeping require new techniques and adaptations. Living in microgravity is a marvel, but it's not without challenges. Your muscles and bones no longer bear the constant pull of gravity, which means your body begins to adjust quickly. You may feel mild dizziness or nausea as your inner ear recalibrates. Some passengers experience space adaptation syndrome, a temporary discomfort that typically passes within a day or two. Meals are unlike anything on Earth. You'll eat specially prepared foods, freeze-dried fruits, vacuum-sealed entrees, and nutrient-rich gels, designed to be eaten without crumbs or spills in zero gravity. Drinking requires sips from sealed pouches with straws to prevent liquid from floating away. Even hygiene is different. Showers and running water don't exist in orbit. Instead, you'll use wet wipes and no-rinse shampoos. Sleeping is done in cozy, secured sleeping bags tethered to the cabin walls, so you don't drift away as you rest. Throughout your stay, the crew will guide you through daily activities, scientific demonstrations, educational talks, and photo sessions to capture your once-in-a-lifetime views. Beyond the physical experience, many travelers describe a profound mental transformation during their time in space. Astronauts have named this the overview effect, a shift in awareness that comes from seeing Earth as a whole, a fragile oasis suspended in the vast darkness. From orbit, political borders vanish. Nationalities dissolve into the blues and greens of our shared home. You see firsthand the thin line between life and the void, the delicate balance that sustains us all. This perspective often inspires feelings of awe, humility, and unity. Many space travelers return with a renewed sense of stewardship for our planet, aware that Earth's beauty and vulnerability demand care and respect. Your space vacation will be more than sightseeing. It will be a journey inward, an awakening to the interconnectedness of all life. Eventually, your time in space draws to a close. The spacecraft reorients for re-entry, and you feel the return of gravity as you descend through the atmosphere. The heat shield glows orange-hot as friction with the atmosphere creates intense heat outside the craft. Inside, you feel a growing pressure pushing you firmly back into your seat, a stark reminder that the familiar force of gravity has returned. Parachutes deploy to slow the descent, and as the ground approaches, you'll recognize familiar landscapes, forests, rivers, cities, until finally, your feet touch Earth once again. Though your body may be tired, your spirit will be soaring. The memories, images, and emotions of your journey will stay with you forever, changing your view of the world and your place in it. Your first space vacation is just the beginning of a new chapter for humanity. As technology advances and accessibility improves, space travel will move from exclusive expeditions to common experiences. In the years ahead, orbital hotels, lunar resorts, and even journeys to Mars may become a part of life's adventures. Space tourism will ignite new industries, inspire new generations, and deepen our connection to the cosmos. What will you discover beyond the stars? The universe awaits, and your journey has only just begun. To leave Earth behind, even for a moment, is to gain a new understanding, a fresh perspective on the beauty, fragility, and wonder of our home planet. Your first space vacation will be a profound experience, one that will stay with you for a lifetime.